empty apartment tour. Not so empty. I don't have a balcony. I'm sad about that, but it is what it is. So they're already moving in, so I can't delay them any longer because they had to wait for me to create content for TikTok as well. But yeah, this is the kitchen. Guys, I'm out of breath and Hi vlog, come on to my house vlog. Okay, when you walk in, you walk into the lounge and then the kitchen area. This is the kitchen area. This is almost an empty apartment tour, but it's not really an empty apartment tour because we are moving in, okay? It has a sliding door there, but it doesn't go to a balcony, just a sliding door for fresh air like this. I'm thinking of putting my bookshelves here and then there'll be a vase of flowers. How's that bedroom? This is my bedroom, again, lighting, okay? And then you have closet space, a whole lot of it again. And then, yeah, I think my bed is gonna be here. Then, unfortunately, because we're in Joburg, the bathroom is in the bedroom. Come. This is, it's almost like the space is clearly, no, it's fine. This is the bathroom. Honestly, let it speak for itself. Let me show you. And then it has both the shower and the bath. The contents, clock it. And then that's me, my sister. Yeah, it has lighting. Let me show you. Yeah, her. People are moving, guys, so I have to go help. Otherwise, I can show the outside because it's still the estate. Like, it's not like you're gonna see where I stay. So, guys, yeah, I tried. This is as best as I can do with the empty apartment tour. Guys, the kitchen, it is my flowers. The oven is brand new. This was a showroom basically, so I'm in a brand new house that has never been used, so I'm very happy about that. I bought another vase, then the other one broke. This is a gas stove, and then cupboard space, a whole lot of cupboard space. So imagine my smeg kettle there. Imagine it, vision it, see it. Okay, please watch the ads. I have my TV because I think it's gonna look that way, and then the couch and everything. I'm not really sure. Also, I need cleaning company to come clean my everything. Even said here, I'm gonna have my bookshelf with a vase of flowers there. Then this goes to my bedroom. The bed, I don't think I'm gonna do much. I'm gonna have one side table. I'm not sure though. I'll see. And then with the bathroom, honestly, I don't think there's anything. Ndizijonge ndilele no ways. I just came back from outside to fetch a Checkers order. Do you wanna guess where the driver is? I'll wait with you. And if you guessed Absa Towers, he's not there. Club Kokomo in Northwest. I thought I changed the address, but I downloaded Woolies Dash, then I downloaded Checkers 6060. Then I first went to Woolies Dash to change my address and everything. Then my mind thought, oh, you changed it on Checkers as well. I didn't. So, well, it is what it is. The driver had already completed the order, so now I just told him to take these things and, I don't know, have them his lucky day. So I have to reorder I'm not even mad. I'm not even mad. I'm defeated. Let's continue with the semi-organization that I was doing. I'm still going to work. It's 8 now, maybe 8:30. I woke up at 7 and took a shower. My shift is at 10 o'clock and the person that's going to get me will come here at 9. So I just need to... The thing is, I'm opening space so I can open the suitcases to take what to wear, basically. So, yeah, I'm just defeated at this point. I honestly don't know how to put this mat, whether like this or like this. Like this makes sense, but I don't... One of these things, I don't like them when they are on the walkway. I don't know how to explain to you, but it's just not my preference. I don't like this. You see, even that end, I'm certain these ones we're gonna cut. Unfortunately, I never liked them anyways. So I don't know what I'm gonna do that side. Maybe we need to fold it. Yeah. But that's that. This table. Maybe I'll put it together when I come back because I don't think they'll know how to. I don't like how these don't smell nice. They smell bad. I added more water and this is what they look. I think I'm gonna put in there. I'm saying I don't like to put many flowers in one vase because they boil out quickly. Mind you, I didn't put flour for the food. I don't know where it is. It is somewhere in the boxes. So I don't know how this is going to work. I think I want a shorter vase, man, like so, with an open head. I don't know. Final color. Okay, I reordered. He just, they deliver literally at the door. Love that for me, Clockette. My sister is doing the dishes there. I'm out of breath because I was running up the stairs. Oh, that's on. Two brown breads. Ampa. Yes, that's how you open it. Did I not buy Ready now. Amanzi. I should it's my bag.
Okay.
Amanzi.
No.
Oh, guess what? Water and this were the most important. Easy. Yeah. Well, Shona. Hi.